It's dark and it's cool. An interesting combination for the summer. Hello there, everybody. This is Silent Mist, and welcome back to the vlog. I was just barely on time for the vlog today. It is currently 11:37, 11:38, and oh no, you saw the email. One of my email accounts that's associated with my YouTube channel. Anything but that. But yeah, it's currently pretty late, and I'm on my way to Max's somewhat quickly. Well, I'm not going to be there for too long. His computer's having issues, and I'm like, I live right down the street, and you do a bunch of nice things for me all the time, so let me see if I can come help fix this, because silly errors. Basically, his computer crashed in the middle of a Windows update, so I'm going to see if I can, like, fix it, because I've tried giving help over the internet, but not working too well, because all the simple things that I just tell people to do don't work. So now comes the time for where I have to actually try to do something. Fun. But today, I said that I finished off the vlog and then I went food shopping. And I talked about the food shopping part right before we left. And yeah, I went shopping. As always, whenever we go shopping, I'm usually the last one to finish because I buy food. Well, we buy food, Mary and I. We alternate between who buys, and as a result, we usually have twice as much food because 2 mouths. And so I gotta go pretty quickly because everyone finishes before me, always, just because of the sheer volume of stuff that we get. So no time to record a vlog. But oh wow. I know I'm out of shape, but nothing shows that you're more out of shape faster than walking while talking. Because you never talk while you walk. Well, usually you don't talk while you walk, and if you do, you're talking with other people, and there's like breaks in the conversation usually. But when you're talking and vlogging, you just run out of breath. But yeah, almost there. I guess I will see you guys in a little bit. Probably, maybe shoot something while I'm there. Maybe. Oh no. Oh no. Things are a little messed up over here. Oh wow, things are a lot a bit messed up over here. I think this computer needs to be restarted. Let's do that. Restart. Poor computer. I'm back from Max's place. Wasn't there for too long, so I didn't end up vlogging much or at all while I was there. Went over there to fix the computer. It was like multiple things that happened at the same time, which just resulted in an unbootable computer. But we were able to figure things out when I came back shortly afterwards. And yeah, now I've been trying to overclock this computer and the desktop in there. Desktop in there is going a little bit better because I finally got it to like 4.1-ish gigahertz while it's very stable and not causing issues with other hardware. This is loud. And now it's not. But yeah, other than that, I just realized something. So I was over here trying to fiddle with the Ethernet cable because I remember hearing somewhere that if an Ethernet cable is like bent, then if it's a gigabit cable, it could affect the transmission rate through it. And I've been running speed tests for the last couple of days, and I've been getting like 90 to 100 megabits per second, which is lower than what I should be getting here at RIT. However, after I went and straightened out that cable, it went back up to like the 400 to 500 megabits per second that I'm used to, so that's good. But other than that, not much else to do for the day. Now I'm just gonna clean up a little bit because it is very messy over here. I made pasta earlier with sausage and everything, and wow, it's messy. So I'm gonna clean things up. But I'm also going to end off the vlog here, so I do hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. And yeah, see y'all again tomorrow. Until then, farewell.